In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the time zone on Tradingview so your charts match your local time or the market you're trading. Start by opening Tradingview and loading your chart. Once your chart is visible, look toward the bottom right corner of the screen where the current time is displayed on the chart. Click directly on the time shown there. This will open a menu with a list of different time zones from around the world. Scroll through the list and find the time zone you want to use. You'll see options like UTC, GMT, and different city-based time zones, making it easy to match your preference. Once you find the right one, simply click on it. Your chart will instantly update and all the time labels will adjust to the selected time zone. This change helps align your charts with your local time or with specific markets, making it easier to track sessions and analyze price movements accurately. If you ever want to switch again, just repeat the same steps and choose a different time zone. The changes are flexible and can be updated anytime. And that's it. You've successfully changed the time zone on Tradingview, making your trading experience more accurate and easier to follow.